In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add image in Notion page. To get started, open your Notion page where you want to add an image. Click anywhere on the page to make sure your cursor is active, and then type /image, or simply type /image. This command allows you to insert an image block into your page. Once the image block appears, you will have several options for adding your image. You can upload a file directly from your computer, embed an image using a link, search for an image on Unsplash, or even add a GIF from Giphy. For this tutorial, we will focus on uploading a file from your computer. To upload a file, click on Upload File. This will open a File Explorer window where you can navigate to the location of the image you want to add. Select the image file and then click Open. Once you do this, Notion will automatically add the image to your page. It happens instantly, and you will see the image appear exactly where your cursor was placed. You can then move the image around, resize it, or adjust it within the page to fit your desired layout. This process is simple and quick, making it easy to enhance your pages with visual content. Using images in Notion is a great way to make your pages more engaging and visually appealing. You can add images to support your notes, illustrate ideas, or simply decorate your pages to make them easier to navigate. Images can be uploaded from your computer or linked from online sources, providing flexibility depending on your needs. You can also use images in databases, galleries, or dashboards within Notion to create organized and visually rich content that is easy to review and understand. And that's it. Your image is now added to your Notion page, and you can repeat this process anytime you want to include more images. Adding images helps make your workspace more dynamic and visually informative, allowing you to express ideas clearly and creatively. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.